Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view other TikTok profiles more privately and how you can stop others from seeing that you visited their profile. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and search for TikTok. Make sure that the TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Updating the app is important because some features may not work properly if you're using an older version. Once you have updated the app, open TikTok and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find the option called Profile View History. Tap on it and make sure this option is turned off. When this feature is turned off, other users will not be able to see that you visited their profile. However, keep in mind that when you disable this option, you will also not be able to see who visited your profile. Now let me show you another simple method. Another way is to log out of your TikTok account and then search for the profile you want to view. When you view a profile while logged out, TikTok will not record your visit on your account. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.